What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day in the RGV, and today I want to make a short video on my truck. I know it's been a while since I've made a new video, and well, as you can see, I'm a fan of Marvel, especially War Machine. So I wanted to dress up my truck with some War Machine decals, and I got a friend of mine to print some decals, put them on the truck. I purchased the interface for your HP tuners, and first thing I wanted to do is mess with the idle. I basically multiplied the tables by 2 and it gave me a different idle.
Chop, chop.
So here's what it sounds like with the cam. And here's the chop chop idle. So now that I got HP tuners, best thing I can do with it is start tuning my truck. I wanted to race it just to see where I was at, you know. I want to see what cars I can race, or what cars I can beat, what I can't. Whether you win or lose, I feel like every race was teaching me something. I was learning more and more about my truck and what the tune was doing to my truck. I had some overheating issues too, so I wired the relays to some electric fans, and that helped it a lot. So I really like tuning the truck. It got pretty cool. The more I mess with it, the better it starts running. Sometimes I would mess it up, so what I do is just kind of save everything that I'm flashing to the computer, and then all I have to do is just reload it, or a previous version if I messed up on the new one. It's something to take into consideration whenever you're trying to tune a vehicle. See where you're going to be running, know the streets that you're running. For instance, the street that I was going through had a lot of puddles. When I was driving and checking the laptop, I went over a puddle. I didn't think it would make big deal, but it hydroplaned and I hit a ditch. This right here is where the frame bent, and we can see on the other side we have a little bit right here too. So basically this whole front of the frame came up. I got the option of swapping everything onto this OBS frame. Here's the 6.0 engine right here. It's got the stock manifolds, the 4060 transmission, or 4065, still not sure, because I guess not all of them have this bolt right here. GMPT. So I want to drop the 6.0 into this OBS frame. And then I got this truck. This is the LM7 5.3, but I was thinking I can take this engine out of here and install the 6.0, and then I would have the transmission 4x4 with the 6.0. I bet this is gonna haul ass. Let me know what you guys think. Should I go with a 2-wheel drive OBS, or should I try to convert to 4x4? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.